Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The ultimate guide to Chinese dumplings, history, types, and how to make them at home. The history and cultural significance of Chinese dumplings. When you think about Chinese dumplings, you're not just exploring a beloved food staple, you're stepping into a story that spans centuries. Dumplings are deeply embedded in Chinese history, traditions, and symbolism, making them not just a meal but a meaningful experience. Let's take a closer look at their fascinating origins, role in celebrations, and what they symbolize. Origins of Chinese dumplings. The history of Chinese dumplings goes all the way back to the Han Dynasty, specifically around 1,800 years ago. Legend credits their invention to Zhang Zongjing, a renowned physician fondly remembered as the medicine saint. During a harsh winter in his hometown, Zhang noticed people suffering from frostbitten ears and illness due to the extreme cold. Inspired to help, he devised a hearty remedy. Zhang combined minced lamb, herbs, and warming spices, wrapped them in thinly kneaded dough, and boiled them in water. These bite-sized creations not only provided nourishment but also offered relief from the bitter chill. The dumplings were even shaped like ears, symbolizing their initial purpose. This humble yet brilliant invention eventually became an integral part of Chinese culinary culture, evolving from a medicinal treat to the widely enjoyed dish we know today. Dumplings in Chinese traditions. Dumplings are much more than a culinary delight. They're woven into the fabric of Chinese celebrations, especially during the Lunar New Year. During this time, families gather to wrap and cook dumplings together, creating not just food but memories. Making dumplings is a communal activity, where multiple generations come together to share stories, laughter, and their hopes for the year ahead. Traditionally, dumplings are eaten at midnight on Lunar New Year's Eve to mark the transition into a prosperous year. In northern China, they're a centerpiece of the festivities, often accompanied by other traditional dishes. Some families even hide a coin inside one of the dumplings. Whoever eats the lucky dumpling is believed to have good fortune in the coming year, a fun and meaningful tradition that brings everyone closer. Types of Chinese dumplings. Chinese dumplings are celebrated not only for their variety and flavor but also for their versatility in cooking methods. Each type of dumpling offers something unique, whether it's a tender bite that melts in your mouth or a crispy shell that packs a crunch. Here's a closer look at the most popular types of Chinese dumplings, including what makes each one special. Boiled dumplings, Shuijiao. Boiled dumplings are a beloved choice for their soft, tender texture and hearty feel. These dumplings are typically wrapped in a slightly thicker dough, allowing them to hold up beautifully during boiling without losing shape. They're filled with an array of ingredients, such as pork mixed with chives, shrimp and ginger, or a vegetarian combo of cabbage and mushrooms. Each bite feels like pure comfort, making these dumplings a common fixture at family meals. Boiled dumplings are especially popular in northern China and are often enjoyed as part of celebrations, like the Lunar New Year. They're served simply with soy sauce or sometimes a touch of vinegar and chili oil. The simplicity, paired with their warming appeal, makes them a go-to comfort food, especially during colder months. Steamed dumplings, Shuijiao. Steamed dumplings are delicate and refined, with soft, slightly chewy wrappers that hold in their flavorful fillings. The steaming process keeps the dumplings light while enhancing the natural flavors of ingredients inside. Popular fillings include juicy pork, shrimp with bamboo shoots, or a medley of aromatics like garlic and scallions. One of the most well-known variations is Xiaolongbao, soup dumplings filled with broth and meat. Often associated with Shanghai cuisine, these dumplings are a must-try for anyone who loves rich, savory flavors. To eat Xiaolongbao, you gently bite into the dough to sip the broth before enjoying the rest of the dumpling. It's equal parts fun and satisfying. Steamed dumplings aren't just about flavor, they're aesthetic, served in bamboo steamers that keep them hot and fresh while adding a touch of tradition. Pan-fried dumplings, Guotie. Known as Guotie or Potstickers, pan-fried dumplings are a crowd favorite for their crispy bottoms and juicy interiors. To achieve this texture, they're fried first to create a golden crust, then steamed directly in the same pan to finish cooking. This mix of techniques delivers the best of both worlds, crispy on the outside, soft and tender inside. Fillings vary but often include classic combinations like ground pork with Napa cabbage, shrimp with garlic, or beef with onion. Pan-fried dumplings are versatile and can serve as both an appetizer and a main dish. While Guotie is enjoyed nationwide, they are particularly loved in northern and eastern China, where diners pair them with dipping sauces rich in soy, sesame oil and vinegar. They're the perfect mix of crunch and comfort. Who could resist that? Sweet dumplings, Tangyuan. Tangyuan is proof that dumplings aren't just for savory dishes. These sweet treats are made with glutinous rice flour, which gives them a soft, chewy texture. Often filled with sweet pastes like black sesame, red bean, or peanut, Tangyuan is served swimming in a lightly sweet broth or syrup. They're most commonly eaten during the Lantern Festival and other family celebrations, symbolizing togetherness and unity thanks to their round shape. Tangyuan can also be flavored with ginger and osmanthus for a more aromatic experience. Each bite is indulgent yet comforting, making these dumplings a standout choice for dessert or a midday treat. Whether you're savoring the tender bite of boiled dumplings or the satisfying crunch of pan-fried ones, Chinese dumplings showcase the incredible range of flavors and textures in Chinese cuisine. They're not just delicious, they're a celebration of tradition and creativity in every bite. How to make Chinese dumplings at home. Making Chinese dumplings at home is not only rewarding but also a fun hands-on experience that's perfect for any occasion. While it may seem intimidating at first, breaking it down into manageable steps simplifies the process and makes it totally doable, even for beginners. From gathering the right ingredients to cooking them just right, here's everything you need to know to nail homemade dumplings. That's a wrap for part 1. We've learned a lot about the history and types of dumplings. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll show you how to make them step by step. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.